We are back at the Illinois College of Optometry, I think that is. We have another elevator here. What the heck? It's another Dover with inland. So strange. Yeah, look, inland originally had an inland. That's the phone button. Interesting. To two. Excuse me. Indicator is completely screwed. Back down to B. Indicator doesn't work. Let's get a look at this panel though. I am going to get lunch after this because I'm freaking starving. Yeah, Dover inland. A very strange combination. And here is the bottom. Anyway, that's it.